Okay, I just finished setting this up, kind of open frame, so that you could see where I've gone with the ceiling fan motor. The coils are gone from the outside except for the pickup coil, and I'm using 36 volts. And it works out pretty good. I'm getting some nice voltage off of the outer run on a charging coil, and the inner coils are actually running the ceiling fan. So I'm going to put the camera down, start this up, and you can see that it starts up pretty good. And has a, it's only pulling 40 mil off of the, well, I think it's going to start. There it goes. And there we are. It's running on about, I don't know, you could say it's about between 48 and 50 mil, 36 volts. The pulse on it, you can see that the pulse is running out at about, that's on the 50 volt scale. And so it's topping out at 50 volts with not much back EMF, but I think this USB scope doesn't do justice to the back EMF because it's so quick. But it's eating up pretty good, and it almost looks like a square wave right now with that 80 ohm coil. So I'm wanting to integrate the pickup coil down inside the motor, and that'll give me a totally closed unit. So I'm trying to hook this thing up with a pickup coil that'll sit down in there in the relief for the wires. It's running pretty smooth there. It's a little noisy. I'm going to try to maybe switch to a bipolar circuit, but just a quickie show you what the charging I'm getting off of the outside coils looks like. It's hot. It'll sting you if you get off into it, but looks like we might have shorted something there. So let's get this going again. I don't know what actually was hitting. It was probably, I grounded something out on that stator. So let's do this. I think I will take this ground off. Well, meter's still good. I think we're good. If we can get it started again. Whoops. Looks like we might have shot the transistor. Oh well. Live and learn.